Good morning all of you. Once again welcome to our English class. Hope all you are fine and safe in your home. Okay, very good. Then what about our story? Do you remember our story? What was the story's name? That is Life with Grandfather. Who wrote the story? Yes, Keshavan Shankara Pillai. Okay. Then who was the main character in the story? It's the story of a boy named what was his name? Yes, Raja. So Raja lost his mother when he was very young, very small kid. Okay, and his father left him with grandfather's house and he went to job. Okay, this first section first part of our story. All of you know the first section of our story. Today we are continuing the second part. You know what was the name of the second part of our lesson? What was the name? That is making a shower. Okay, shower, all of you know what is shower? Shower, not this means bath. We have already bathed once or twice. Okay, so we can start our story. You listen very carefully. I will tell you the story. So, this is the evening time. Evening time after a heavy rain. Sorry, it's a heavy rain, very strong rain. It's a heavy rain. Then the grandfather was plucking jasmine from the jasmine bush. This jasmine bush is under the sandalwood tree. What is sandalwood tree? Yes, this is Chandana Maram. Okay. He is under this sandalwood tree. There is the jasmine bush. Okay. Then this Raja is very naughty. So he is playing around this garden. So he want to do one naughtiness. Okay. He thought that after a heavy rain, this sandalwood tree is full of raindrops. Without making any noise, very quietly, he reached this sandalwood tree and he took all his strength and he shook that tree. Shook, what is shook means? Shook means the past tense of shake. Kuliki. Then what will happen? Then this grandfather and Raja fully soaked. Soaked means was full of water, they full wet. The Raja was very happy. What about grandfather? He became very angry. He shouted, Raja, I will teach you. I will teach you a lesson. And this Raja heard this. Raja ran. This grandfather also ran faster than Raja. And after some time, this grandfather slipped and he fell. At that time, Raja hid in this paddy field. What is paddy field? Yes, paddy field. Hid there. It's the past tense of hide. What is hide? Do you play the game hide and seek? Yes, he hid in that paddy field. And this grandfather searched everywhere. But he didn't find this Raja. And he returned home. At that time, he's saying, I will catch you and I will teach you, I will beat you, like that. This grandfather said and he returned home. It's getting dark. Raja became feared, scared. Okay, so he thought about the ghost stories he heard. So he want to come home, but he is afraid. So he reached near to the home and he hid the cowshed, loft of the cowshed. Cowshed, you know what is cow? That is cowshed. Loft of the cowshed he hid. At that time, he can see the grandfather. He was sitting in the veranda and praying. Then the grandmother searching him everywhere. He called out in loud voice, Raja, Raja, where are you? Then he's searching. The grandmother thought that he is near the garden. Then at that time the grandfather said to this grandmother, he is in the house itself. Then grandmother saying, I searched everywhere in the house and I didn't find him. Like that saying. Okay, this is about today's story, and next part of our story will continue in the next class. Okay, then I will read you the story from our textbook. You listen very carefully, and after that we can discuss the question answers. Okay? Yes. Then, making a shower. It was an evening after a heavy rain. Grandfather was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. The leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. I knew I could make a rain if I shook the tree and grandfather, and I would get a good shower. I like bathing in the rain. What about you? Do you like bathing in the rain? Okay, but he might not like it. But it would be a great fun. So quietly went near the sandalwood tree and shook it with all my strength. There was a heavy shower. Both grandfather and I were soaked. I loved it, but grandfather did not. He returned to me with angry look. I was sure he would catch me and beat me. So I ran. He ran after me. I ran fast, but he ran faster. He had almost caught me when he stumbled and fell. Stumble means kalidara. Okay. Slipped. I ran away to the paddy fields and hid myself there. I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson when I came back home. I did not want to go home because I feared grandfather would beat me. I stayed on in the fields. It was getting dark. I was afraid to stay there alone in the darkness. I remembered all ghost stories I had heard. I stood up, looked around, and then ran towards home. I was still afraid to face grandfather. So I did not go inside the house. I went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. From there, I could see grandfather sitting in the veranda saying his prayers. Grandmother was waiting for me. When I did not turn up, she took for me everywhere in the house. Then she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. She did not get any answer. Then she went to grandfather and asked him where I was. You look in him in the house, grandfather said. He is hiding somewhere. He is not in the house, grandmother said. I looked for him everywhere. Then we can discuss the question answer. Are you ready? Yes. Then our sixth question. Who do you like to play with at home? Who do you like to play with at home? ആരുടെ കൂടെ കളിക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടം? With your brother? With your younger sister? With your father? You can write your own answers. Okay. Then next question. What was the reaction of the grandfather when he was soaked in the shower? What was the reaction? Reaction or what is reaction? How the grandfather reacted? Is he angry? Which one? Is he angry? Soaked. What's the meaning of soaked? It's wet, full of water in the dress. Okay, nanaya. What was the reaction? He became very angry. Angry look, and he tried to catch that Raja and tried to beat. And he want to beat him. Okay. This is the grandfather's reaction. Then again our next question. 8th question. Why did Raja select the loft in the cowshed as his hiding place? Why did Raja select that place? Because he is afraid. It's become dark. He is afraid. So he select near place. Near to the home. His cowshed is near to home. That's why he selected that place. Okay. Cowshed വീടിന്റെ അടുത്താണ്. He is afraid to the darkness. He is afraid. That's why. Then next 9th question. Grandmother was extremely worried when he knew that Raja was missing. isn't it? The grandmother worried. She's worried. Okay, grandmother Krishma. Then pick out the sentences from the passage which convey this idea. What are the sentences? Yes, what did she do? She came out and called aloud for him, for me, thinking that I was there in the garden, and she looked around the house and inside the house also. Like this sentence you can find out and write it in your notebook. Okay, this is all about today class, and we will meet next class. Okay, thank you.